just wanted to say I wanted to correct the first video and let you guys know I'm not moving shops, just moving the shop around. I am moving houses. The daily commute sucks. From Newport Richie to St. Pete every day is a shitty drive. But today we got Brad's motor coming apart. Gonna do some head work to this thing. A little mild pour and polish on it. Degrease some cams. Do a valve job. You know, that fun stuff. He's out there embarrassing one CBR 1000s and stuff. So I feel like this kid's gonna really get out there and have some fun with it. So I'm pretty stoked about it.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
So we're doing a little, doing a little mild pour and polish, doing some head work to it. Going to gonna try to squeeze like another 6 to 8 horses out of her. You know, Brad really enjoys going out there and tearing up the streets. So figured
following all traffic laws, of course.
All traffic laws, every single one of them. Yeah.
You got nothing on us. You got nothing on us.
He does wear a helmet and all his safety gear.
So do you want to do a video of the pour and polish later on?
Yes, we will do. We'll do a video of when the head is broke apart on the table, and obviously going back together and what it's doing.
Why are we pulling the head off? What are you going to do to it?
Well, right now we're having an issue with coolant and oil mixing. So
that means a bad head gasket.
Yes. In this case, it is. So we're going to yoke this head off and, squeeze some more power out of it. We were at 133 roughly on the dyno before all this. So I know down here on these intake ports, if you guys want to check this out, this right here will lag power like crazy actually. All these nice ridges. I know they don't look crazy big, but that little stuff right there, get all these cast marks out of that thing. Clean that stuff up.
Okay. You're gonna shave metal off of that bridge?
Oh yeah. And we pour match all these intake tubes and see how much power we can squeeze out of this thing.
How many horsepower do you think it's going to increase it?
Hoping 140. So that would be about a 7 horsepower increase from just doing some mild pour and polishing, shaving the heads, degreeing the cams. Yes, the valve job, we'll get some new 45s cut on the valve seats and get some new valve seals in there. Try to clean that up. Should be a nice little turnout.
Ever been on a dyno before?
Yes, it actually did one. It did 132 on the dyno before. It did 132, 133 on the dyno at Eric's at Proven Power. So we'll see if we can't get it to like 140. Pretty stoked. For a GSXR 750, that's a strong motor.
Any other big plans for it in the future?
Yeah, but Bradley wants to keep that concealed.
Ah.
Can't touch this.
Some things we just gotta keep quiet, Bradley has fun with it, and gonna keep it that way. Yeah, thanks for watching the video, and if you guys have anything you want to talk to me about or ask me any questions, just shoot me a comment below, and below on the link, and yeah, I'll let you know what's going on. Thank you. Have a good day.